So guys, today I see cheap tomatoes to buy today, guys. So I go to city today, see tomatoes when I buy 8 euro. Oh my god, fresh tomatoes. 8 euro. So this one we'll be using it to make stew tomorrow. I'm on fresh tomato stew. Now go just dey cook tomorrow. See as it cheap. 8 euro tomatoes, guys. Oh, it's cheap. Now these tomatoes now it cost cheap for inside. So we see buy onion and this one. So the place when I for buy this one is 4 euro. We are for the buyer is 5 euro something, sometimes 5 euro. So I see it to buy 4 euro, very cheap. See something. So I will be adding it here. I'll be turning it here, guys. I'll be turning the olives here. So let's open it. Very, very cheap. Turn it once. See, see all this. Everywhere don't full. Banana. I also buy banana and egg. But this egg is not cheap. Their egg is not cheap because it's original egg. I say original. The one where they just laid, they arrange and put for the one with the seed. So the egg is not cheap. Banana. We also have banana. This banana is 6 euro. Today we are making juice. Juicy. We also have the orange. We have orange. Let me pour this orange. We have tangerine and orange. We have the big orange, guys. We bought big orange. We are using it to make juice. Juice here we come. Juice here we come. Let me add this banana to it. Juice here we come. I also buy granules. See granules. This one is already fried. We bought this one 6 euro. Kiwi. We bought kiwi 6 euro something. So everything is cheap. It's cheap a little. I also buy this is what is it called? Pear. We call it pear in that one. We call it pear. So it is called avocado. So I bought it 35 euro. Avocado 35 euro. So I will be keeping this avocado so that it's not yet ripe. So I will keep it so that it will ripe. I will tie it here. Juice here we are doing juice today because the one we did before is already finished. It's already finished. This is apple. We have apple. We have apple. So we are using it this evening, guys. We are using it this evening. So we just remain small. We use some and leave some. So we use some and lift up because I have this thing now. I will do the juice and put it here. This is the apple. So when we are using it, we wash it. So we are doing juice this evening. We will wash it later. And the tangerine. This tangerine, before I took it, I tested it. It was delicious. It was delicious. It was delicious before I took it. So that is tangerine. We also have kiwi. I bought kiwi. Kiwi babao. So we are going to wash it. I'm just opening it now. We are washing it later. This is it. This avocado, we have a bell pepper, so I will keep it this one inside the fridge. This is bell pepper, guys. Oh, more, I so much love these tomatoes. Guys, share this video. Love you all.